Okay, all right. It's almost 11. All right, let's go through some of the, you're seeing my pages, right? This one. Okay, what are we going to do? Revise? We are going to do revision on integers, real, rational, real numbers with the 4 order of operations of that with brackets. And now the thing is that they came with many brackets, and not only that, they have negative values. Okay, all right. So let's start. 6 1/4 multiplied by this minus this. Now, of course, then you will say, teacher can use calculator ma. Then why must we so like, 麻烦 troublesome, trying to use all this mental doing. Okay, so basically we want to actually understand how does this 4 operation works. Okay, what must be done before you can multiply, plus, minus, or divide. Okay, all right, order of operation here. You see, first thing first, when you see this, you check out for the operation. What do you mean by operation here? Not surgery operation. Okay, what are operation? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. And now, not only that, it came with bracket. And not only that, it comes with this kind of bracket. And not only that, wow, it comes with a lot of kind of bracket. So all this we must look out for. Okay, because now you're set 1 ma. No longer P6s already. Okay, so then the next thing is after knowing all the sign, which one comes first? The problem now is it comes with fraction, and now fraction is coming with what? What do we call this? Improper mixed number. Okay, so for multiplication, do you think what you can start with? How long can you tell me? How can I start with this sum here? 6 1/4 multiplied by this. First, I check the sign. We have a multiplication and minus. What can I do first? How long?
Cancel 2 and 4.
Cancel 2 and 4, but this is a mixed number.
Oh,
So first thing you are saying 2 and 4, meaning you are going to do multiplication.
yeah.
Okay, so this is step 1. Can. So we have to do something. So this is step 1. All right, good lah. So now the thing is that how to multiply them with this mixed number.
We turn it into improper fraction.
Very good. Convert it into improper fraction before you can start to do them. Then after that, we can do the minus. Correct? Okay. So now how are you going to change the improper fraction? 6 1/4. So we do this. Okay. I have to find space here. Okay. So I'm going to do step 1. So 6 1/4, when you change it into improper fraction, it's 25 over 4. Multiply by, change it to mixed number, improper fraction, 22 over 5. Now then you can start to reduce them to the simplest form. Otherwise you can't, right? Okay, and then you must also follow the what? The sign, right? What is the sign? Behind it was 3 3/4. Now we try not to change anything from behind first because we want to do the whatever in the front. Okay, so let's take a look at the front here. We can reduce this by 2, reduce this by 2. And then we still can also do this. Cancel, reduce, this one becomes 5. Okay, so technically what you have here, you can actually start to multiply them out, right? So what can you do here is you will get down to 55 over 2. So this is 55 over 2. I should put them in red. Wait, so 55 over 2. Okay, then I can now minus 3 3/4. Okay, now however, then we can convert this, because this one is so called the what do you call that, mixed number, right? I mean the improper fraction. So I'm going to change it to mixed number, so then I can minus. Okay, minus my 3 3/4. So for now you can start to minus. You minus 3 is 24. Okay, oops, but you can't, because you know why? Because they are of not the same denominator. So what must I do? Chloe, can you help me with this, Chloe? Chloe, will you be able to on your video? I didn't see Chloe yet. Give me a minute. Chloe, will you be able to help me with this? No response from Chloe. Shifra, are you able to unmute? And then, Shifra, can you hear me, Shifra?
Yes,
Hi, Shifra. Will you be able to on your camera?
I can because there's a lot of people in the background.
Okay. Oh, so many audience. Okay, welcome. All right. But then it's your turn to respond, then you turn on your audio lah.
Okay.
Thank you. I didn't get response. Hey, hi, Chloe. Hello. Okay, all right. We have someone here. Let me enter this. Thank you. Okay, so now we can start to minus 27 minus 3. No, sorry, we have to change it to so-called what? Common denominator, right? 3, and then we have 2. Okay, however, what we can't do here is because it is too small. So I have changed this to regroup it. All right. So then after that, we have 23, and 3 out of 4 is my final answer. All right. Okay. Catherine, let me admit Catherine first. Okay. Okay. Where is my page? Sorry. Okay, the next question is also order of operation. Okay, let me use another color so to distinctively tell you what I'm doing here. Okay, now for this question, it comes with a what? So many type of brackets. The square bracket, the straight bracket, the normal bracket, we have so many division thing. So first thing first, we must always look out for whatever is inside the bracket first. Okay, and then inside the bracket, you still have 2 brackets, so we must do it step by step. Okay, so we have to identify what step to do first. Okay, so we are going to focus on this whole bracket for this time being, this one. Okay, but then inside you still have another, what do you call that? We still have this thing, step. So this one is the key thing that we have to solve for it first. All right. Now, for me, I would like to do this. Whatever can't be done, we actually try to cut and paste, so-called copy and paste, not cut and paste. Copy, paste, and I try to solve whatever I underline first. Okay, so what is 33 minus 33 plus 18? Okay, Kaden, hello. Help me with minus 33 quickly. Then you plus 18. Using finger. Must be quick one.
Don't know.
What don't know? Try. Minus 33 plus 18. This one in this first term you already learned. Now 18 cannot minus 33. It's shortage of what? 33. You use 33 to minus 18. What is 33 minus 18? Chloe, can you help? You must try to count. 33 minus 18. Okay, let Chloe help you. Chloe, you there? Please help me with this sum. What is minus 33 plus 18? So, okay, then you must help yourself to, wait. Okay, Chloe, are you there? I didn't see Chloe here. Okay, Catherine, how about Catherine? Yeah, Catherine, can you help me with minus 33 plus 18?
Negative 15.
Very good. Thank you so much. Negative 15. And then now I have to divide by 5. Okay, but I want to do one thing. I want to bracket this to remain 8. Okay, so far, is my answer correct? And later, I will purposely do mistake here and there. So I want to see who is not watching. Okay. All right. So now the thing is that I'm going to focus on this thing. I have a multiply here. I have a division here. Which one do you want to suggest? Okay. Genvi. Did I pronounce Genvi?
Yes.
Hi, Genvi. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Will you be able to help me with this? I have a multiply. I have a division inside the bracket because I'm now focusing whatever is inside. What can I do first?
Minus 30 times minus 15.
Very good. I focus on this step first. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Because multiplication comes first from left to right. So having done that, minus 30. Okay, can you give me the answer, man? How to multiply them? What is the answer? Catherine, will you be able to help with this? Catherine? 30 times 15 is technically 15 times 3, then you add a 0 to it. That will be faster. Catherine just now, sorry, Catherine just answered already, right? Okay, Hao Lun, do you get 30 times 15? What do you have? Whatever I have, I'm going to divide this by 5.
450.
Okay, 450, very good. So I get a 450, but then this is still a bracket. I want to replace it. Oh, so now simpler already. Oh, I don't need help. From here, I just want to do on with this lah. Okay, 450 divided by 5 first. I technically get this down to 90. Okay, then what is 90 plus 15? 90 plus 15, 105. Okay. Are you with me? Everything okay? Checking here. Give me thumbs up, everybody. Yeah. Aya, can give me the picture icon. Thumbs up icon. Yeah. Wow, wow. All right. Thank you. Chloe, is that? Yeah, Chloe, do you have a thumbs up icon? Yeah, thank you, Chloe. Okay. Kaden 没有啊? Kaden, yeah, Kaden also have. Thank you. Okay. So now I'm going to the next step. This one. Okay, minus 3 something, right? Okay, I better write down the number A. This is number B for the sum. Okay, for number C here, I want to do it here. See whether I can. Okay, the reason is because I need space. Okay, so now the first thing first is I want to do this. Which one to do first? We got bracket, we got power, we got minus, sorry, divide, plus, and multiply. The first thing I want to do, Kaden, help me with this thing, come. You are seeing my screen on C, right? Which one do you want to start off with? Give a try.
The negative 3 divided by 3.
Negative 3, but there's a power. So how? Let's solve the power first. They are like Power Ranger, right? So let's solve the power first, okay? All right, so we must, yes, you will do divide first, but let's settle the power, okay? Unless you want to do indices, but I think this one I have not been taught. So I want to settle this power, and I want to settle this power. So what is minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, Kaden?
Minus 9.
8, 3 times what? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So, what is your answer?
Negative 27.
Very good, 27. Okay, minus 2, I help you, okay? Minus 2 and minus 2 will give you 4. Okay, good lah. You come to here, you're quite happy about it, but then you still have to do something first. All right, let's ask for Shifra. Shifra, can you help me? What shall I do for the next step? Shifra, are you there?
Negative 27 divided by 3.
Yes, excellent. I do this first, and that will give me to minus 9, right? Okay, so I continue from here. I have 23 divided by 3. I have a minus 9, negative. Then I copy, and then I paste whatever is not done. Okay, then after that, what will happen? Minus 9 plus 5. I have to do, okay, this one I help you, okay, towards the end already. All of them know this. So I want to start doing this. 20, because the negative, the 20 must, the multiply must do first, okay? And then I get down to 11. Yes, this is my answer. Okay? All right, so that's about order of operation or getting the orders correct. Which sign to start off first. If it's a fraction, you must change it to improper. Okay, if it's a number with power, settle the power. Look out for brackets also, huh?